Hello guys, today we will discuss about this Affinity professional designing software tool which was acquired by Canva. The Canva has acquired this Affinity professional graphic designing tool in the year 2024 for about $380 million. Okay, so what the affinity is like, how it works, and you have to pay it for you have to pay for using it, or is it absolutely free? We will discuss all about these things in this video. So please stay tuned till the last, so that I can take you through this affinity website, how you can download this for your Windows, for your Mac, and how you can design it. And there is I will also give you the keynote about this affinity tool. So one more thing I wanted to share with you guys, please don't look at my communication or how I am speaking or how I am talking or how I am showing you the presentation. That if I make any mistake, I beforehand I beg a pardon, because this is my new channel. I am starting a new tutorials on tech, because I know a lot of things. I wanted to share my information or my knowledge with you guys. Okay, so don't look at my communication, just focus on the subject. And the motto of this video is to just give you the overview of the affinity. Okay, affinity software tool. So guys, just focus on the subject, don't look at me or my communication at all. So now I will quickly go through this affinity website, affinity studio, how does it looks. So, so this is the affinity website. Now you can also see this affinity by Canva. So this is how it looks. It is one of the best tool I can say, and it is competing with big players in the market like Adobe and all. So the best part of this Affinity by Canva is so you don't have to pay any single penny for using this platform. This is absolutely free, guys. It's absolutely free. You can use it. So this is how it looks. So this is one of the best platform. You can use it for designing your creative, designing your logo and all. If you guys know a little bit about designing tools and all, or you have a little knowledge about how you design and all, so you can easily use it without paying any single penny. Usually, what happens, you use it, big players like a platform like Adobe and all, you have to pay for it. Now this is absolutely free. This is the platform. This is absolutely, guys, it is Canva is giving you absolutely free. So all you have to do is download it in a Windows or in a Mac, and you can use it with your existing Canva account. So to download it, you just have to get Affinity. So this is there are also these things. You can click on Affinity, and you can also see here Affinity by Canva. It is absolutely $0, nothing, but it is completely free. So now I will, quickly go through this, take you through this Affinity, this exact software tool. Okay, this is the Affinity software tool. So this is how it looks. This is exactly I mean not exactly, but a lot of features are there, and also there is a AI inbuilt in this Affinity tool. You can type it anything and you will get it. I mean the result. So this is the platform, guys. And this is how it looks like. This is can design anything. You can do a lot of things. You can move it and all. But you guys know how to use this elements. I mean how to use these tools. You can easily make anything. And literally, guys, this is absolutely free. If you are paying a lot of money to graphic designers, or maybe not all graphic designers, or maybe software tools. So any software tools you can take it. Like this is giving you absolutely free. You can do it anything. So this is how it looks like. This is you can do vector graphics also. A lot of things you can do. So now I will take you through this keynote of this launch. So you can also have like complete understanding about what is Affinity, and what you can do and what all you can do with the Canva Affinity by Canva.
Pro designers have had almost no choice in the tools we use. Bloated software that slows you down, siloed platforms that add friction to your workflow, and tools that are, of course, crazily expensive just because of corporate greed. That's right. We have paid too much for too little. And I think it's time we change that, don't you? It's time that we put creatives first. It's time to unlock true creative freedom. Introducing the all-new Affinity. Now, until today, if you wanted to create using vectors, pixel or layout tools, you had to swap between apps all the time, use different tool behavior, inconsistent UI, each with their own steep learning curve. So today, we are revolutionizing this experience, bringing together all three creative workflows into one single harmonious app. And this is just so powerful. It's so powerful because you can instantly switch between these disciplines now without breaking your flow, unleashing your creativity to create incredible designs. And for the first time ever, you can even mix any of these tools to create completely custom studios specifically crafted for your own workflow. It's literally like designing your own perfect creative app. And gone are the days of needing separate file formats for all your different projects. Blech. That's just so 2024. From now on, it's one format, and it's simply called .af. And you know what? We think that's pretty cool. You could even call it Cool AF. I think we're going to have a bit of fun with that, aren't we? But all of this without any compromise on performance. So you can edit live with real-time previews and zero lag. And it's fully non-destructive, means all your effects and filters can all be applied or removed while keeping your original files intact. This means you can create fearlessly. And it's incredibly powerful too, handling huge documents with thousands of objects and unrivaled precision. You can even zoom in to over 10 million%. Always a crowd pleaser, that. But I should say as well, we've built this in close collaboration with some of the top designers in the world. So Affinity really is for people obsessed with craft, built by people who respect your craft. Now, there is just one more thing. To truly empower professional creatives, we need to rewrite the rules of the industry. So, we're really proud to announce that the all-new Affinity is entirely free, forever, for everyone. Oh, yeah. How cool is that? This isn't a stunt. It's a statement. It's our commitment to your creative freedom, making all of these tools available at no cost. Now, every student, every freelancer, every studio, every enterprise has equal access to professional creativity. Because creativity, we believe, is not a luxury, it's a right. And, and now you have it, right? Affinity is free forever because creatives deserve better.
When did creating become complex, costly, corporate? Remember how you started? Creating for fun, for love. They blame the tools. We say, don't blame them, change them. Remind yourself how it feels. Complete creative freedom. Free to craft. Free to experiment. Free to do it your way. For free. Forever. Join the movement that says artists first and fall in love all over again. Welcome to Affinity. Creative freedom, free forever.
I thought you might like that. So, yeah, Affinity is entirely free, including everything you've seen so far and every future upgrade too. But there is something else that we're doing. Today, we're launching an all-new Canva AI Studio within Affinity. So if you do have a paid Canva account that includes AI, you can now access all of those features here too. That means you can create with generative fill, expand text to image, and much more, while still, of course, instantly being able to switch to Affinity's other tools to craft by hand. And, importantly, we never use your work to train AI models. Your creativity is yours. So, there you have it, the all-new Affinity, crafting Affinity, scaling Canva, and I'm thrilled to announce that true creative freedom is available to download right now.
So, guys, thank you so much for your the time you stick to watching the video till end. I appreciate your support and do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you more videos like this. Thank you so much.